Hey, Chicago, before you buy a bike online and end up with a bike in a box, did you know that you can demo e-bikes in your own home first?
EbikeCityZen is the only e-bike retailer in Chicago that offers free at-home electric bike demos and test rides. Easily book online and we'll show up right at your door with e-bikes for you to demo. I'm Joe Borrelli, EbikeCityZen's owner, and I'll be your guide for today's demo. I'll show you all the features and benefits of e-bike ownership and answer all of your questions, no pressure. I always bring more than one style of e-bike, and I ask you lots of questions to learn which type of e-bike will best suit your personal needs. Then we'll get into the magic of pedal assist and how the various levels of pedal assist will help you ride further and more often than you ever might on a regular bike. I'll even show you how convenient it is to connect your bike to your phone via the Eunorau Go app. And there's a whole bunch of extra display functions to help you track your rides. Now for the fun part. We'll hop on the bikes and take a nice ride on the familiar streets of your own neighborhood so you can feel the magic of pedal assist. Once you feel it, you'll love it. This is where it's most important to have an e-bike expert on your side. When you fall in love with the ease of riding, I'll help you select from over 18 different models, multiple color options, frame sizes, and features to customize an e-bike just for your specific needs. Then, and only then, we'll place a custom order just for you, and 5 to 7 business days later, I'll be back to hand deliver your custom e-bike, fully assembled, tested, and ready to ride with a 2-year factory warranty. There's not another bike shop in the entire city of Chicago that offers this level of at-home customer service. Book your free, no-obligation test ride at EbikeCityZen.com today.